Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In this I'm going to show you what is the initial RAM and storage availability after unboxing of the iQOO 9 device. Yes friends, this is another most interesting question where you should know what will be the storage and the RAM availability in your device. So this is iQOO 9 model which I did order, and this is a 8GB and 128GB version which I ordered. Let's see friends, out of the box how much RAM and storage will be available in the iQOO 9 smartphone. Let's go to the RAM and storage options here. So first let's go to the RAM option. You can see by default there will be external RAM option enabled. You can clearly see friends. Now all the apps are completely clear from the background, and let's go back. And 3.71 GB is available used right now, as you can clearly see friends. 3.65 GB is used, and regarding the storage, 23.98. So 24 GB is already used. Like 23 GB is used by the system, as you can see friends. 23 GB. So out of the 23 GB, 4 GB because of this external RAM capabilities. So that's something you should know when we enable that. So these are the few details, and apps were used up to 674 MB. The applications are actually using right now. These are the few applications. If you don't want, definitely you can actually uninstall them as well in case if you don't want to use them. So that's it friends, thank you for watching. This is a quick RAM and storage availability in the iQOO 9 device after initial unboxing of the smartphone. Thank you for watching this video friends. Until next video for more updates, and meanwhile signing off and bye.